All right, ladies and gentlemen, tested all kinds of stuff, made sure I knew my limitations, the different intake hose configurations, did 1 and 1/4, 1 inch, all kinds of stuff. But okay, so I just wanted to show you guys there's pros and cons to using a Predator 212. One of the cons I'd say is once you try to go up to that 16, 17, 18, 19 GPM range, can you do it with a Predator 212? Yes, you can. However, but your usable pressure at the end becomes limited. So you're not going to be able to shoot like 200 PSI out at the nozzle, right? Even with a 5/8 hose, because it just does not have enough power. So if you plan on using it, right, at that 16, 17, 18, 19 GPM range, you will need the GX 690, Predator 420, or Predator 459, okay? But there's also other things you have to consider once you go up to that range. The water boss gun becomes ineffective. The nozzles, I tried different nozzle configurations, stuff like that. It really becomes ineffective. I even modified one. It does help out a little bit, even with my modified one. But I'm gonna show you guys right now what the maximum capabilities are with this pump, the 19 gallon per minute Rainmaker with a Predator 212, okay, with the 5/8 hose, and a standard water boss gun, because a lot of you you're not going to modify stuff, right? You're just going to get the water boss gun and you're going to go. So with 200 feet of hose, I'm going to show you right now. I'm gonna start it up. The RPMs are approximately 3,300 RPM. So we'll go in the back, and then I'll do a 1 minute collection, and then I'll show you the stream. Okay, so as far as height, how high something can shoot and stuff like that, ladies and gentlemen, using a standard water bus gun, it's all about the GPM. How much GPM exits that nozzle is going to tell you how far it can reach, or and how much PSI, okay? When using the same type of nozzle, right, the gallons per minute is really what's going to dictate all that other nonsense, okay? So you'll see it right now. First thing I'll do is the collection test. Set. Ten more seconds. Yeah. This is extreme, all right? Woo, look at all that mist and rain. How high will it shoot? The top of this tree right here is pretty tall. It reaches that. It'll go up like 6 stories, I'd say. It's hard to, I don't have a building. You can see the pressure, the distance, the stream. Look. Now that's with the standard nozzle. So it comes out to right there. You see this? This is 15 gallons. 15 gallons. Now, the way I have mine set up, as y'all know, watch this. I'm gonna press off. I just turned off the clutch. And guess what? I can bleed it all out. And I can go walk wherever I want, so I'm not walking with this line under pressure, right? There's 5/8 holes, making it easier to move. There's way less pressure. If there's pressurized to like 400 PSI, it's a little more stiffer to pull around, right? That's what is great about this. And if I wanted to change out this gun and put a shooter tip on there, so you got a more straight beam, I can pull it off right now and put on that shooter tip. Like this whole gun assembly I can pull off and then reactivate the clutch, okay? So those are some of the pros and cons. This is at 15 gallons per minute. Automatically, 15 gallons per minute. You compare it to the MoFlow, it just pumps out more volume and is gonna shoot higher, just naturally. Okay, 15 to compared to 14 or 13, or compared to like 11 and a half or 11 with P40s, Air 45s. This is the Predator 212, okay? You see that? The RPMs are down to, the pressure is down to 0 because I bled it out. I remotely did it. All right, so that was 15 GPM. It started at like 3,300 RPM, so it drops down the RPM slightly to like 3,000-ish when I put on, pull the trigger, right? But there it is. Now, as far as showing you guys at the 16, 17, 18, and 19, so that's 4 more GPM that I can do. I've done it. I've made the pump go up to its max capabilities. However, not with a nozzle that gives any type of real good pressure at the end of it. So for that video, you will have to wait for hydro storms to show you the video with the 459, because I will not change from using the Predator 212. I will stick with this engine. I like it. 15 gallons per minute for me is more than enough for what I do and the heights that I need. For a lot of you that want to go even higher, get more volume, definitely do the GX, the bigger engine. But one good thing about this, and I've tested this, and I'll show you guys in another video, is once it builds up too much PSI, it stalls the engine. So like if this went up to like 500 or 600 PSI at 15 gallons per minute, it just won't do it. The engine will literally stall out. So as far as a safety factor, I don't have to worry. I don't have to worry about this this system ever reaching above the maximum limit of this hose, because this engine will stall out. Peace.